Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be telling you all about my box braids, be showing you how I decorate them with these cute little trinkets, and also showing hairstyles you could wear with your braids, including this one. Not only that, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can braid your hair faster. I mean, cut your braiding time in half. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So first things first, the hair I used is from SAMSBEAUTY.com, and it is the Sensational Expression African Collection hair, and it is 82 inches in length. And as you can see, my braids are like a total assortment of colors. I used the colors 8, 27, 30, and 613 to achieve this color. And for every braid, I mixed 2 colors together. So like for this braid, I used 27, 613. For this braid, I used 27 and 8. For this braid, I used 30 and 8. And for this braid, I used 613 and 8. In total, I used 6 bags of hair. But if you decide to use just one color, you could definitely get away with using only 4 bags. I really don't know what size braids these would be. It's like a medium, but it's on its way to large. And they come down to the very top of my butt. So that's the length. The hair was actually very easy to braid. It didn't really it wasn't really rough on my fingers. Pretty much every time I've done braids, I've done my own braids, but I've been so lazy because it takes me forever. It usually takes me at least 8+ hours to braid my hair. I have so much hair. My hair itself is just thick, and it just takes me forever. I don't know if this technique is already out there, if it has a name or anything, but this time around I decided to go ahead and part my hair off first. And guys, I recorded all of this and I lost all of the footage. I basically parted my hair in each of these individual sections where my braids would go, and I parted them like row by row. And then when it came to the hair, I would just break off the amount of hair I would need for each braid. And so for each section, let's say I have 6 braids in one section, I would break off 6 pieces of hair and then just use that piece of hair to braid. Like I said, it usually takes me like 8 or 9, 10 hours to braid my hair. This time it only took me 5.5. This time it only took me 5.5, okay? I don't mean just braid my hair. I meant total, like parting my hair, braiding my hair, and then dipping my hair in the hot water to seal the ends. 5.5 hours total. Okay, you cannot beat that. I was shocked by myself because I'm really lazy when it comes to braiding my hair, and like it took no time at all. So once I had my braids in place, I decided that I wanted to decorate them. I got some cute little hair cuffs from a beauty supply store. So the first one I saw was like a cute cuff, and it had like little rhinestones going all the way around, which I thought was so cute. I've never really seen that before, so I wanted to get that. And then I saw another cuff that had little dangly rhinestones, and I definitely had to get that. I was like, okay, it's different. It's like a more like dressy version of the cuff. And then I found cuffs that were actually little crowns, and I was like, I definitely have to get this one because like I love putting like little crowns on my logos and things like that. I think that's cute. So, and for my edges, usually I just do like little swoops or whatever, but I just took some Eco Styler gel and tried to do like various little, you know, I tried to do my baby hair like the Instagram models. And so I took some Eco Styler gel, played around with it. I love this baby hair brush that I got from the beauty supply store. It has a brush on the end and has a comb on the other end, so it's really easy to like maneuver the baby hair and, you know, make it do what you want it to do. Once I had the little wave that I wanted, I took the Got To Be Glue gel, just put a little layer of that on top to keep my baby hair in place because my baby hair likes to stray, especially when it's hot and humid outside. So I had to do something to keep it intact. At this point, I'm just going to show you a cute little styles that you could do with your braids. Okay guys, so now that I've given you all my tips and tricks and gave you my little demos and whatnot, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about everything down below. How did y'all like my hairstyle? I'm really loving this one. This one was a little bit different for me, but I thought it was so cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.